Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting overview video. Today, we're diving into the feature-packed world of WooCommerce Dispatch Labels. Part of WebToffee's WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin, this tool takes your shipping process to the next level. It's a pro add-on to WebToffee's free WooCommerce PDF Invoices, Packing Slips, Delivery Notes, and Shipping Labels plugin, offering a seamless integration for your e-commerce needs. Let's explore its capabilities together. Before we proceed, let's take a glance at the key features of the WooCommerce Dispatch Labels. These include auto-generation of labels, built-in layouts, customization with meta fields and attributes, the addition of a print button to order emails, multilingual support, and much more. Once you've installed and activated the free plugin along with its pro add-on, go to Invoice/Packing from the WordPress dashboard. Then, select Dispatch Label. This will open the Dispatch Label Settings page, allowing you to configure your dispatch label settings. In the Product Display section, you can sort products in the dispatch label by name or SKU. Simply choose your preferred sorting option from the drop-down menu. This option lets you show variation data under each product on the dispatch label. Once enabled, the variation details will appear below the product name like this. In the Advanced section, you can include additional meta fields and attributes on the dispatch label. You can add an order meta by selecting one from the drop-down menu or by clicking here and specifying the field name and meta key. You can also include product meta and attributes in the same way. Apart from these options, you can also add a custom return address exclusively for dispatch labels. Enable the option and fill in the address fields that follow. In the Print section of the dispatch label, you can add a Print Dispatch Label button to the order emails. Just select the order statuses from the drop-down where you want this button to appear. The Print Dispatch Label button will appear in the order emails like this. Here, you can select the language preference for the dispatch label. Finally, click on Update Settings to save the changes. Now, let's check out the Customize tab, where you can personalize the dispatch label even more. Click on the tab to see a preview of how the dispatch label will look. Click on Change Layout to choose a layout for the dispatch label. Once you've selected a layout, you can customize it further by accessing the Editor panel on the right. This panel displays all the available elements of the dispatch label for easy customization. Using the toggle button, you can enable or disable elements from the dispatch label. All changes made in the Editor panel are reflected in the visual editor. For more customization options, click the inverted arrow next to an element. For instance, clicking the inverted arrow of the product table allows you to add more elements, delete existing ones, rename them, adjust alignment, and more. All changes are immediately visible in the visual editor as you edit. Similarly, you can customize other elements as well. You can also switch to the code editor for more advanced customizations. To view a sample PDF copy of the dispatch label for an order, enter the order number and click here. Once you've finished customizing, save the template with a suitable name. If you have existing templates, click on Save and Activate to apply this template. Furthermore, here you can access your previously created templates. You can activate, edit, or delete them as needed. Apart from these dispatch label settings, you get a few more additional features upon installing the WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin. To access these settings, navigate to the General Settings under Invoice/Packing. Then, click on the Advanced tab, where you'll find a set of additional features. Here, you can add extra fields to the checkout page, enable RTL support for documents, enable print preview for documents, select packaging types, and more. Here is a sample dispatch label generated using the WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below, and for personalized assistance, reach out to our customer support team.